Alright, cool. Hey, today guys, bluesing around Tash Wolf with drums. Yeah. Cool, right? So, here we are trading today, Triple Q. Got some options here. And we're looking at the 401 puts for 11/12, which should be Friday. And you can see we're dropping a little bit, around 200. All right, so it's a really tight market today, but we're definitely pushing it on the downside. You can make money today, up or down. I'm going for the downside because we're below the center line. Take it away, Tash. Alright, cool. Wish you luck, guys. Click below, subscribe if you like this video. More money to us all.